In the wake of a major seismic event, entire communities can be cut off. In the critical hours that follow, the greatest challenge is understanding the scale of the devastation in areas too dangerous or remote for human first responders. This is where technology provides a new path forward. Stigmergy ODEA helps first responders perform damage assessments and locating potential survivors. And operators lay out strategic mission objectives with clear priorities and missions intents. ODEA a drone swarm can be deployed. The swarm is a distributed network of intelligent agents, each carrying its own processing power, operating independently but also cohesively as a whole.
The Stigmergy is going to create a swarm of intelligent agents.
In the disaster zone, infrastructure is fragile, central command is lost. But the swarm adapts. The agents elect a new temporary leader, re-establishing group coordination and ensuring the mission continues seamlessly, all without human intervention.
Commander link lost. Initiating leader election protocol. Consensus reached. Agent D4B is now acting commander. Group chat re-established.
The swarm is cryptographically secured. The first layer of defense infiltrators are automatically rejected. Even with a stolen identity, the system's internal logic detects duplication, a Sybil attack, and ejects the malicious entity, preserving the integrity of the swarm's collective intelligence. Each agent's local intelligence acts as a cognitive guardrail against malicious commands, analyzing prompts against core mission principles and rejecting any that are illogical, contradictory, or destructive. A solar flare weakens the GPS signal, but the agents also have visual perception and intelligence. With multimodal eye, it can cross-reference indicators with both the mission scripture and the visual profiles as well. The model identifies the discrepancy and reorients itself back to the mission. The swarm executes its primary function, gathers a rich harvest of multimodal data, creating a comprehensive and accurate picture of the situation. Mission complete. A testament to resilience, collaboration, and the power of autonomous problem-solving. Ultimately, this is the true purpose of Stigmergy: technology that empowers humanity, protects the vulnerable, and delivers hope in the face of chaos.